weird. I don't remember putting that in there. Oh, hey there. Well, here's a hot tip. Showcase the people behind your brand, because spamming people with "buy my stuff" is boring, and it's overdone. Customers want to see the people who work behind the scenes. Like this guy. His name's Giuseppe, and he works here at Rallio. He's a great guy. All you have to do is pick up your phone, point it at the person, and take a picture or video. Then, you write some fun stuff about them in the caption. And then all you gotta do is post it. It's easier than you think, and it's much more personable and all around better for your brand. Well, I gotta get back to pretending that I'm typing on this computer. It's not even plugged in. Internet Explorer. Weird.